Do you need a new roof for your home? Or looking for someone to fix the signs of potentially damaging wear and tear? A reliable roofer? Well, it is not that easy to find the best roofing solutions for your home. Since your home is undoubtedly one of the biggest single investments you ever make, it deserves the best in protection. So what are the ways to choose the best roofer for your home? 1. Ask people around you. Know what they have to say about their roofing companies. 2. Check online reviews. You can find the good and bad about each provider. 3. Go for the accreditation, like the Better Business Bureau or something similar. 4. Verify the financing services offered, along with the insurance coverage. 5. Make sure the roofing company offers the type of roofing you plan for your dream home. Once everything is done, go write an agreement with them and get started. If all the above steps make sense, you need not look further. We at Ariona Roofing Solutions offer everything you are looking for. Being a pioneer in the industry, testimonials from our clients across 12 states will tell you what we are up to. Come meet our marketing manager, Emily John.